Hi guys, Michael Koski here with Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today we are going to take a look at the brand new Forest River Micro Lite. This is a beautiful new Flagstaff product. This is the 2024 25BSDS. I'll do a little walk around on the outside of the coach, take you inside, see what you think. It's really exciting for us to have the Flagstaff product here now. Let's get started. Hopefully you like it. We'll start up front. Power tongue jack, twin LP, battery tray, beautiful front cap with window, full fiberglass, additional solar port, huge pass-through compartment, little tabletops for the theater seating. Nice aluminum construction, lightweight, very quality. Power jacks, big power awning with LED lighting, outdoor speakers, outdoor kitchen, cooktop, sink, big dorm fridge. It's all plumbed here if you want to set up your TV outside. Outlets. Really nice looking unit. Swing away gas grill. Roof access ladder. Outdoor shower, spray port quick connect. Black tank flush. Spare tire, backup camera ready, water connection, power hookup. This is 50 amp, no excuse me, this is 30 amp. Beautiful fiberglass, nice little additional storage on the outside of the slide. And then we have the little barbecue and the huge pass-through storage. Docking lights, magnets for the latch door. Just a really nice rig here, the 25BSDS. So we have the solid steps. Right when you step inside, control panel, which is backlit, makes everything easy. Great storage. Power tower with charging on top. GFC outlets. Master suite right up here on the right hand side. All plumbed and ready to go for TV backer location, nice wardrobe, nice cabinetry. That window is such a great feature. Just imagine the evenings, kicking back, going to bed, looking at the stars. Just a real nice option. Big wardrobe slide. Outlets and charging ports on both sides. Plenty of counter space for the CPAP machine. Ducts for the AC into the bedroom. Nice theater seating with charging for your phone. Some storage up overhead. Nice kitchen. Good counter space for prep. Big stainless steel sink. You don't have to worry about those hot pans sticking and melting. 3-burner cooktop. Hood vent. Microwave. This unit has 200 watts of solar on the roof. Comes with a smart TV, That's your Connex 32-inch. Fully ducted 15K AC. Will keep you cold in those hot days. Enclosed heated underbelly to extend your camping later into the fall. You know, in the bathroom, guys, I mean, look at all this storage. This is just a great, great small, lightweight floor plan, but tons of room. Medicine cabinet, ceiling fan, nice night light, residential step-in shower with skylight. I'm just over 6'2". Hopefully you can see this, guys. There's room. Shower miser here to recirculate the water and reuse it. You know, if you have any questions, call me, text me, 218-740-4968. Again, I'm here to help you go camping. Any questions you might have, just let me know. Nice shades. Electric fireplace. Take the chill out of the room in the morning and the evening. Now again, that's electric. Nice alternative heat source and not burning all that LP. Huge, huge storage. All right, guys, there it is, the brand new 2024 Flagstaff 25BSDS. Beautiful, beautiful product. Thank you again, as always, for your time. Michael Koski with Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. 218-740-4968. Call me, text me, comment, like, share. No pressure here. We're just here to help, so let me know what I can do for you. Thank you so much and have a great day.